see me. I'm not standing yet. But yes, I like the yes part too. I want to introduce Justin and his wife Ann. Justin and Ann are from Washington State, and they've been traveling this countryside for the past 3 months and just enjoying what they're seeing. And Brad said, "Joe, get up there and introduce them." And I've been going through this course for PEC, that's the name of the organization. And Justin's been my mentor, my teacher, my helper. And I finished all the courses, yes. And I think you said I got sliding by with a D. So thank you so much.
It's D for diligence.
Yeah. Thank you. But he's here today to share his word with us. And of course, he has a couple of books in the back that if you would purchase them, he would appreciate it. I thank you. Thank you for being here. And thank you for everything.